guys, what's up? This is Sarah with Off Leash Canine Training Delaware. Here with me today is 3-year-old Berniedoodle Winnie. She's actually almost 3 years old. Her birthday is on July 30th. So birthday girl coming up, yes ma'am. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So Winnie gets distracted pretty easily. Car just drove by and she's like, oh, I'm on it. That's one of the reasons that her parents are bringing her to us. Gets distracted easily, runs after critters, squirrels, varmints, you know what. She says, I've got to investigate. She also has really inconsistent recall, so when she runs after that squirrel or whatnot, her parents can't get her to come back. So working on that with Miss Winnie. Yes, ma'am. She's also a leash puller. Super common issue with pups, as you guys know. So we're going to teach Miss Winnie how to walk nice and proper like a lady on her leash. No pulling anymore. So we're on this walk together. Yes, ma'am. All right, girlfriend. She also is very demanding. So Winnie will bark and let you know what she wants when she wants it. She's got a very high-pitched, squeaky bark when she's trying to tell you how she feels. And she tends to jump up on people as well. So her parents want her to learn how to sit for her affection, you know, get those manners in, and act like a lady. And that's what we're here to teach you, Miss Winnie, isn't it? Yes, ma'am. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and show you Winnie's current level of obedience. All right, good girl. Yes, ma'am. Who's that girlfriend? Winnie, come. Come good. Come good. Yes, ma'am. Winnie, come. 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 There she goes. Who's that good girl? It's a Winnie girl. Yes, it is. Oh, my. Winnie, sit. Winnie, sit. Sit good. She says, I can do it. Yes. Winnie, down. Down. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. Down. It's okay. Winnie, place. Winnie, come. Yeah, place. Place. Thank you. Thank you.
You ready? Yeah, you ready? Yeah, you ready? You got me running, got me running. Got me running, got me running. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. Raise your hands up. Raise them up.
And I brought Winnie in here to work on some things like coming to us and listening and not jumping up on us and yelling barking when the doorbell rings when the UPS guy comes. And this has worked out great. We've loved Sarah. We love Canine Off Leash. Thank you all so much.